Hello friends, welcome to all of you in official Excel Learning YouTube channel of Mass Training and Solution. My name is Rashid Rizwi. Today I am going to teach you one of the very important clue of Excel, how to format your numbers into multiple of thousand or multiple of million or multiple of billion. This can be very useful while going through large numbers report like pivot table report, like subtotal report, and so many other things in Excel. So let's see how to do this. First, I will go to any of worksheet. This is my worksheet where in each column I have some figures. I want to convert these figures, format these figures into multiple of thousand, or it can be multiple of million or billion. Normally what we do to format, to convert any figures into multiple of thousands, we derive a new column and say equal to, we click on that cell and we divide by 1000. This is called deriving a new column, and then you are copying this, pasting it as values, replacing previous column. My topic is not to derive new column. I want to format same column into multiple of thousand or million or billion. So the steps are, first select your numbers to be formatted, then go to format cell. How to go to format cell? It can be right click format cell, or keyboard shortcut is Control 1. When you go to format cell, we get this format cell wizard. Left hand side we have categories. We will have to go to custom category. When you click on custom category, right hand side we can see that type and type list. You can click on any type list that appears in type box. So suppose I click on third category, third one from top, that appears in type box. I need to modify this. So after clicking any category from type list, you need to modify this. I want to make it multiple of 1000. So I'll have to modify as hash, one hash and one comma. So hash comma means multiple of 1000. So one hash represent 1000, 130. If you want to format your figures, numbers as multiple of million, then 2 hash comma. If you want to make it multiple of billion, then 3 hash comma. So 1 hash represent 1, then 30, 1000. 2 hash represents 1 and 6 zeros. 3 hash represents 1 and 9 zeros. Comma is mandatory after hash. Here I want to make it multiple of 1000. So I just say single hash and comma. If I click OK, you can see figures are formatted now as multiple of thousands. Not to worry, if you click on any of cell, actual figure appears in formula bar. You can see. This is just for the view purpose, so that if you want to make it normal, you can select your numbers again. Either you can go to format cell and make it general, or you can go to home tab, number group and make it general. Now your number back to normal. I want to show one more example for this. I'll go to sheet 1. In my case, I have some pivot table here. Normally in pivot table we have large numbers. So here I want to format these numbers into multiple of thousands. So first I will select my numbers, then I will go to format cell. You know well how to go to format cell. And same process need to be repeat here. I'll go to category and I'll select custom category. Then I will go to right hand side, type, list. I can click on any one. I want to format as multiple of 1000. So after clicking any of type list that appears in type box, I'll say single hash comma means multiple of thousands, double hash comma multiple of million, and triple hash comma multiple of billion. So I have made it hash, one hash and one comma. So hash comma. Comma is mandatory. Main thing is hash. Single hash multiple of thousand, double hash multiple of million, triple hash multiple of billion. So I said hash comma. Click OK. Now you see your numbers are formatted as multiple of thousands. You can make it normal, select, go to format cell and make it general, or after selection go to home tab, number group, select general. Not to worry, as I said, if you click on cell, your figures appears in formula bars. So these are multiple of 1000 just for the view purpose. Actual this figure is not changing. Figures are same. Only the format has been changed. We wanted to see my figures as multiple of thousands, so I have formatted it. Actual figure is same. So when you click on any cell, you can see your figures appears in formula bar. This just for the view purpose. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this is relevant to you, please subscribe it and like it. If you want more informations, in the last para of my video, you can get my website detail. From there you can download lot of other supporting material without any charges. In my website we have download tab, and from there you can download lot of other relevant material. Once again, thanks to all of you to watching this video. If you find this relevant to you, please don't forget to subscribe and like it. Thank you.